Flexible, digital, and innovative. This is how Industry 4.0 should be. Big data and digitization. It's often a long way from marketing phrases to practical benefits in the company. Today's industrial plants are very complex, but the industrial plants of tomorrow will be even more complex. Mastering them, keeping them up to date and operating them requires a great deal of effort. Making existing industrial data accessible in a variety of ways is the key to true digitization in modern companies. The new high-speed internet standard 5G makes it possible. Ever-increasing computing power and ever-faster mobile data transmission, for example with the 5G mobile communication standard, allows us to tap into completely new business areas. One of these business areas is digital twins. Northdocks scans industrial plants and buildings and creates 3D models. These models are known as digital twins and enable to link a wide variety of industrial data according to customer requirements. This results in functional 3D models that behave like their real-life counterparts. At Northdocks, we develop cutting-edge technologies to transfer your processes into a new digital future. Scanning often allows existing systems to be digitized for the first time by means of reverse engineering. This consequently improves knowledge transfer between employees. Linking real-time data with process management in digitized industrial plants creates enormous economic potential. There are endless possibilities for using virtual reality in combination with the digital twin to democratize access to knowledge. All industries in different trades can better visualize interrelations reproducibly at a lowest price point, and the various players can familiarize with the interrelations. Training at industrial plants is often a challenge. Processes can only be stopped and repeated to a limited extent during regular operation. Downtime is every company's nightmare. 5 years ago, we actually did our first experiments with VR glasses. Back then, we still needed a computer and a cable on the glasses. Today, we don't need cables anymore. We don't need a computer anymore. We put the glasses on and off we go. Studies show that both virtual and analog training sessions achieve similar learning effects. This prevents and minimizes accidents at work. I'm convinced that occupational safety benefits from virtual reality training. We can try out situations that we would never want to experience, but which are essential for the learning effect. I'm impressed by the speed of development we're seeing in VR. When you look at how accessible the equipment has become, how small and handy it is, and how immersive the experience, it never ceases to amaze me. The digital twins also help in an emergency. VR platforms that transport new technology are a powerful topic. Why not take a different approach to training than fire departments usually do, with other possibilities, other alternatives, perhaps other topics regarding the manufacturers and bundling the activities? That's the platform. So virtual reality impressed me in the sense that it comes across as incredibly realistic. When I put the glasses on for the first time, I was standing in the facility, which looked exactly as it actually is. Besides safety aspects, digital twins provide further added value for the industry. Detailed simulations can make the planning of construction measures on complex factory sites much more efficient. However, it is not only new construction projects that benefit from virtual reality. In Cologne, a digital twin of the cathedral is used for the maintenance of the centuries-old monument. So of course we can virtually approach areas in the 3D model. We can move into areas where we already discover damage, where we discover fallen components that we wouldn't have found otherwise. So we already know the parts, we can target them. We can mark them and we can also recover them with other methods, with climbers, with cranes, with working platforms, and we can ensure safety. We fly in industrial plants, we fly around historic buildings, and of course we always have the problem that we have to guarantee our customers a high level of safety with the drone systems that we use. Yes, the cathedral is a very complex structure, with many undercuts, with hidden areas, with areas that cannot be seen from below, and flying drones over the whole thing is very complex. With the help of digital twins, our scenarios can be simulated, trained, deconstructed and reimagined. Northdocks helps us transform these stories into virtual reality. VR training is cost-efficient, effective and safe. Virtual reality is definitely part of an optimal training portfolio. VR training in 3 words? Realistic, exciting, thrilling. Efficient training at industrial plants, more safety for people and machines, and improved site management together with Northdocks and its own digital twin. Enter a digital era. Transform your business now.